It's time for some Unit 3 practice. Let's go ahead and warm up with our sounds. A apple A safe A. E egg E jeep E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U. U rule oo. CH chin ch. TH thumb SH ship sh. O school oo. O book OU trout ow. OU soup oo. AW saw OI coin oi. We're going to go through the sounds now. Try to say the sounds before I do. I, E, sh, U, oo, A, U, I, ow, ch, oi, o, aw, oo, Now we're going to go down the columns and again try to say the sound before I do. I, a, ow, o, e, ch, sh, I, aw, u, oo, oi, oo, You can always come back to this page and practice your letter sounds. We're going to do some word chaining now. The first word we're going to use is this word. This word says, yes, join. I've changed the sound. Now my word says, yes, coin. Changing another sound, so now my word says, coil. Now the word says, yes, cool. Now the word says, yes, cool. I just need to slide my letters over. So much easier at school with a magnifying board. Oops. So I'm sliding over pool so that I can make, yes, spool. Now, instead of spool, I have, yes, spoon. Instead of spoon, I'm going to slide over my S so that I have, yes, soon. I'm changing soon to, yes, seen. I'm changing seen to, yes, sheen. And we'll read some sentences. We have 2 sentences to read. The first one at the top, go ahead and pause the video if you need to, and then hit play when you're ready after you've practiced on your own. First sentence says, first word, next word, yes, is, next word, yes, that, and last word, yes, sound. Let's read the whole sentence together. Ready? What is that sound? And I read it and raised my voice a little bit so that people could tell I was asking a question. Let's look at the next sentence. You need to pause the video now to read it on your own. Go ahead and do that, and then hit play when you're ready to read it together. Okay, first word. Yes, sit. Next word. Yes, down. Next word. Yes, on. Next word. Yes, the. Last word. Yes, bench. Let's put it all together. Ready? Sit down on the bench. And we're going to spell some words. First word, say tools. Tools. Oh, I hear a suffix S at the end of that word. What's the base word of tools? Yes, tool. Tap tool. Tool. There are 3 sounds in the base word of tool. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. T. What says ooh? Like school. O says ooh. So tool. And then our suffix S. Tools. Let's spell tool. T-O-O-L. Suffix S. Tools. Next word. Say soil. Tap soil. Soil. There are 3 sounds in soil. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Oi, what says oi? O-I says oi. Oil. Spell soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Next word. Say stoop. Tap stoop. Stoop. There are 4 sounds in the word stoop. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. What says ooh? Like school. O says ooh. Stoop. Spell stoop. S-T-O-O-P. Stoop. Next word. Say couch. Tap couch. Ouch. There are 3 sounds in couch. K. Ow. O-U says ouch. There's our digraph. 2 letters that say 1 sound. Spell couch. C-O-U-C-H. Couch. The last word we're going to spell is hawk. Say hawk. Tap hawk. Hawk. What says aw? A-W, and we have a K at the end. Spell hawk. H-A-W-K, hawk. Let's start at the top. We're going to read the words from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. First word, base word, tool. Word, tools. Word, yes, soil. Word, yes, stoop. Word, yes, couch. Word, yes, hawk. Now starting at the bottom, reading to the top. Word, 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 word. Base word, word. Good job reading. Let's get to writing some sentences. The first sentence that we're going to write says, which cloud looks like a dog? Which cloud looks like a dog? How many words are in our sentence? Which cloud looks like a dog? We have 6 words in our sentence. If you want to take a minute and pause the video now to write the sentence on your own, give it a try, and then we'll go over it together. Which cloud looks like a dog? First word, which. Okay, our first word, which, has a WH for w, ch, finger space. Sounds in cloud. K, l, ow. What says ow? O-U says ow. D. Which cloud, finger space, looks. Looks. Oh, there's that suffix S. What's the base word of looks? Yes, look. Sounds in look. L, what says like book? O says and look and book rhyme. Which cloud looks? Yep, suffix S. Finger space. Sounds in like. Like. Oh, and we know we need that E to make I say I. Which cloud looks like a, finger space, sounds in dog, dog. And what kind of punctuation mark am I going to use at the end of this sentence? I'm going to use a question mark because we're asking a question. Let's read it together one more time. Ready? Which cloud looks like a dog? Our second sentence. Would you join the Cub Scouts? How many words are in my sentence? Would you join the Cub Scouts? Would you join the Cub Scouts? I have 6 words in my sentence. Take some time to pause the video now and practice the sentence on your own. And then we can review it together. Would you join the Cub Scouts? Okay, first word, would. W, would. Okay, we usually think of it as a sight word because when we tap it out, would, we don't usually hear that L when we tap it out. We don't say it when we use the word. So would, we got that uppercase W at the beginning of the sentence. So now we need our finger space. How do I spell you? Y-O-U, you. Finger space sounds in join. J, what says oi? O-I says oi. J, oin. Finger space. The, T-H-E, the, finger space, sounds in cub. K-ub. Finger space. Say scouts. Ooh, scouts. I hear that suffix S. What's the base word of scouts? Yes, scout. Okay, let's sound out scout. Sk. What says ow? O-U says ow. Sk. Out. Suffix S. Would you join the Cub Scouts? Now that's asking a question for sure, so we need that question mark. Let's read our sentence together. Ready? Would you join the Cub Scouts? Awesome. Good work today, friends. We'll see you next time.